Love that spicy tangy punch on your plate? Today we're making 3 delicious, easy to make pickles at home. Mango, lemon and green chili pickle with simple ingredients and easy techniques. Let's start with the classic mango pickle. For this, dry roast mustard seeds, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek and kalonji in the pan. Toast until fragrant, then cool and grind into a coarse masala. Now take chopped raw green mangoes in a large bowl. Add salt and turmeric powder, mix well and let it sit. In another pan, heat mustard oil till it smokes slightly. Now add the ground masala and some extra turmeric, stir for a few seconds and then pour this flavorful oil masala mix over the mangoes. Now mix thoroughly and your spicy mango pickle is ready. Store it in a clean jar and let it rest for a couple of days, and it only gets better with time. Next up, the tangy lemon pickle. In a pressure cooker, add whole lemons with water. Boil them until soft, but don't cut them before cooking or the juice may turn bitter. Once cool, cut them into quarters or desired size. Now add red chili powder, turmeric, mustard powder, fenugreek seed powder, a pinch of hing and salt. Mix well and squeeze in extra lemon juice to balance the consistency. Now time for the tadka. Heat mustard oil, add mustard seeds and a pinch of hing. Let them splutter and pour over the pickle mix. Now give it a good stir, making sure oil coats everything nicely. This lemon pickle is great right away, but even better after sitting for a day. Last but not the least, a fiery favorite, green chili pickle. For this, grind fennel seeds, mustard seeds and cumin into a coarse powder. Now transfer to a bowl and add turmeric, red chili powder, hing and salt. Add vinegar and mustard oil and mix into a spicy stuffing. Now take green chilies, remove the stalks and slit them lengthwise. You can remove the seeds if you want it less spicy. Now stuff each chili with the masala paste. Place them in a clean jar and let them sit for 2 to 3 days to soak in all the flavors. Now enjoy it with chapati, rice or anything you love. This one packs a punch. 3 pickles, 0 preservatives, full of flavor. Try this out and add that homemade zing to your meals. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.